In order to be experts in reactive and refractory metals, we need the right people, the right knowledge, and the right tools to get the job done. So our founder, Jim Neidiger, he was always one to take a challenge and spent hours and hours and hours developing a process to allow metal technology to draw zirconium in a cold form. One of the greatest values that we provide to our customers here at MTI is a fully comprehensive offering. And now with additive manufacturing, partnering with 3D Systems, we can provide really any geometry that an engineer can dream up, and that allows us to provide a truly comprehensive offering. Well, the 3D Expert software to me is really a game changer. And as soon as I saw the first demo of 3D Expert, it was a no-brainer for me that we had to move into that space.
So before we had 3D Expert and DMP from 3D Systems, we used several different software manufacturers. And we would start with a solid model from our customers. We'd convert that into an STL, then we'd do some manipulation to that, then pull it into another system, and then pull it into a third system and run the actual slicing before it even got to the 3D printer. One of the main drivers for us to switch over to 3D Expert was that we can compress our workflow into a single solution. Using 3D Expert has decreased our print processing times by up to 75%. So when you get a job late on a Friday and you only have a few hours left in the workday, that amount of speed can make the difference between starting at a Friday afternoon or waiting until Monday to start the job.
3D Systems proved to be the best partner for us to move forward with because 3D Systems gave us the ability to tailor our applications to our needs. The ProX 320 was obviously the hardware solution that was the perfect match for 3D Expert software.
In the past, we would get some requirements from the customer and we would apply a technology to the entire part. When oftentimes those requirements don't apply to the entire part, they're only applied to localized areas on the part. So what we do with 3D Expert is we can apply those fine print technologies to the areas where they're important, and we can apply the faster, more efficient technologies to the areas that aren't surface critical. And by doing that, we've seen increases in productivity by 40%.
We already serve a very difficult and challenging customer base with defense, scientific, and space. And additive manufacturing allows us to provide unique solutions to them that they never had before.